Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士。
In this lesson, we are going to review pivotal sentences. Chinese is an SVO language. SVO stands for subject, verb, and object. SVO is also the basic structure for sentences in Chinese. In the sentence,
同学吃饼干。
the subject is
同学
the classmates. The verb is
吃
to eat. And the object is
饼干。
cookies. Therefore,
同学吃饼干。
means the classmates eat cookies. The sentence structure of a pivotal sentence differs from an SVO sentence. A pivotal sentence has a subject, verb, object, plus verb phrase structure. In the example,
同学请我吃饼干。同学
means the classmates.
请
To treat,
我
me,
吃
to eat, and
饼干。
cookies.
同学请我吃饼干。
The classmates treated me to cookies. In the previous sentence,
我
me serves as the object of the verb.
请
At the same time, it is also the subject of the following verb phrase.
吃饼干。
In short, an important characteristic of pivotal sentences is that the object of the first verb is also the subject of the following verb. Verbs in a pivotal sentence are often verbs like
请
to treat somebody something,
叫
to ask or to make somebody do something,
让
to make or to let somebody do something,
使
to make somebody feel,
派
to assign somebody to do something, and
教
to teach somebody something. Now it's time to practice.
老板派秘书。
The boss assigned the secretary, and
秘书去和厂商讨论。
the secretary went to have a discussion with a vendor. When applying the pivotal sentences structure here, it becomes
老板派秘书去和厂商讨论。
the boss assigned the secretary to have a discussion with the vendor. How do you translate the following sentence into Chinese? Give it a try. The mother teaches her daughter drawing. It's
妈妈教女儿画画。
How about the sentence here? The father asked his son to exercise together. In Chinese, it's
爸爸叫儿子一起运动。
excellent. You have now learned the grammar point about pivotal sentences.